So excited! All right. Good morning, guys. I think this is actually going to be a Friday lesson if I have it planned out correctly. So happy Friday. You guys, today is going to be super simple. It is estimating percent of a number. So we did it yesterday, and today we're going to do estimating it. Now, super easy, love estimating because it doesn't have to be exact. Now, here's the deal though. I'm going to show you two ways. I personally prefer decimal way, but that's just me and how I've grown up. And I'm going to show you a fractional way. Now, if you prefer to work with fractions, by all means, go ahead. To me, working with decimals is easier. But I'm going to show you both ways, and you can pick which way you like best. All right, let's get ready to do some examples. Make sure you have scratch paper and you're practicing. All right, so we're gonna, this is not right, guys. Let me turn that, there we go. All right, so we're going to estimate 39% of 80. And I think if you remember back yesterday, I literally estimated one of them. I don't even remember which one it was now. Okay, so we're gonna do 39% of 80. So first off, I'm gonna round 39 to 40. So 40%, all right. To me, that is so easy. 40% is, 39 is more difficult. 40% is easier. And I don't need to round 80. It's just going to stay 80. Okay. At this point, I don't need to round it. Now, I would then prefer to turn this to 0.4. Okay. So I'm going to do that first because to me, that's easier. Because remember from yesterday, you got to move your decimal two places because, or you can do 0.40 because we are dividing by 100. Okay. So I'm going to do 80, and I'm going to actually, sorry, I am going to do 0.4. You don't really need that extra zero. So I'm going to put 0.4 here, and I'm going to multiply by 80. And again, like yesterday, I can leave this zero off, and I can just bring it down. And 4 times 8 is 32, and I'm going to move it over one decimal place. So the answer is 32. Now, the book has me showing you, that's the way I prefer to do it. If you like doing it that way, do it that way. Okay, so the book has me showing you in a fraction, which is totally fine too. You're going to round that to 40%, which is the same thing as 40 over 100, which is the same thing as 4/10, which is the same thing as 2/5. And then multiplying that by 80 over 1. Okay, well, 5 will go into 80. It'll go in 16 times, and 2 times 16 is 32. Now, if you prefer this way, multiplying like a fraction, go for it. To me, that was kind of a pain in the booty to take 40%, make it 4 over 100, drop off those zeros, then reduce or simplify, to 2/5, and then multiply by 80. It's whatever way you like the best, okay? But I'll show you both. All right, next example. We are doing 91% of 82. All right, now I'm going to round my 91% down to 90%. And I'm going to round 82 to 80, okay? That's easier to work with. I'm going to then turn my 90% into 0.9. All right, now I'm going to do 0.9 times 80, and I'm going to leave that zero off again. 9 times 8 is 72. Bring my decimal over, and the answer is 72. All right, now the book had me do, oh, wait, that says 80. Sorry. I didn't mean to waste time. Okay, the book had me do 90 over 100, which is fine. And you have 9/10 times 80. Okay, 10 goes into 80. 8 times, 9 times 10. 9 times 8 is 72. Okay, and 1 times 1 is 1. All right, so that way works too. Both ways work. It's whatever you're comfortable with. Now, the next one, I can't turn to a fraction, or I feel like it's easier. I really can't do it in a fraction way. All right, the next one is 97.9. Ooh, scary decimals. 97.9 of 39. Okay, now, of course, I'm rounding this. I'm not messing with any decimals. I'm going to round that to, that's close to 100%. Oops, that was supposed to be percent, guys. Sorry. And I'm going to round 39 to 40 because that's really close to 40, right? All right, so I'm in turn making this 100. I'm bringing my decimal over 2 places, technically dividing by 100. And it is 1 times 40, which equals 40. Super easy. Guys, I hope you understood today's lesson. If you didn't, I really pray and hope that you are asking me questions. That's the only way I can help. Ask questions, practice, practice, practice. All right, guys, I hope you have a wonderful weekend.